This Western Digital hard drive has been mailed in for data recovery because it stopped working and is making a clicking sound. The model is a 3TB WD30EZRX hard drive. It was made in 2012, which makes it about 13 years old. Here we're removing a working set of donor heads from a donor hard drive. And now we're putting them in the patient hard drive. Okay, it's now working. We've got a good signal. Now we have successfully recovered all the data again. If you need data recovery from a Western Digital hard drive that stopped working, you can mail in like this customer did, and we will get your data back at the lowest price. Visit zeroalpha.com.au